Welcome to the channel, everybody. Here I have this 2021 Chevy Silverado with a 4-cylinder 2.7 engine. This pickup truck was having misfire, and cylinder number 3 to be specific, it was losing power and everything suddenly. So the owner say he parked it overnight, and next day he didn't have power, check engine light on, and many messages on the screen of the vehicle. I believe that this let's see, I don't know how many miles does this. Oh, it has 15,000 miles on the odometer, so it's basically still new vehicle, but it was having misfire. So the problem with this pickup truck was something very different. It was not actually mechanical issues. Let me open this up. Okay, there. It wasn't a mechanical issue. It was that some rats went inside the engine bay, and those, let me see, let's focus. All right, there. So I already fixed the issue, the wiring right here. I did repair the wire. I mean, this is not a super professional way to do it, because the professional way will be actually to replace the harness as the dealer will recommend to do. But at this point it works, so the point is it works. And we also have more damage on the cables. You can see it's really hard to focus. You can see the damage on the wiring right there. See how the wiring looks. Yeah, there. See, you can see how the wires are like shoo away because of the rats, and you can see a lot of dirt and stuff then rats bring in when they like to sleep in your truck or car or anything. So I guess this is a very common problem when you live in an area surrounded with rats, you know. And it's very important that you actually pay attention where you are going to park your vehicle, because this problem is something that doesn't supposed to happen to a vehicle of this year, because it's basically a brand new vehicle. But doesn't mean that all these vehicles are not exposed to danger like this. But the best way to prevent problems like this is to actually preventing or inspecting where you're gonna park your truck or vehicle. And this can happen to any vehicle. In this case, happens to this brand new, I mean semi brand new truck. It's a 2021 model, which is still new, we can say it. And in some cases, the majority of cases, warranty doesn't cover damage like this, so you have to take it to independent shops, and probably they're going to charge you a lot of money to repair wires like this, because probably you won't know. In this case, the damage happened right on top where you can have access, pretty easy access. But in some cases can happen underneath or in very hidden areas of the body of the vehicle, and it's going to be super hard to actually reach those areas and repair the wiring. Since, you know, limitation of room is a big concern when it comes to repairing wires. So the actual repair, the proper repair, will be to replace the plug completely. But in this case, that's pretty much all we're gonna do to this one. As long as it works, that's pretty much it. And after that, probably we're gonna replace the wiring in the future, but for the moment everything is gonna be all right. So this video is just to show you that this truck specifically had a misfire on cylinder number 3, and the misfire didn't happen for anything mechanical. It happened because other issues than are rats. And probably sometimes you are going to be trying to solve problems like this, like trying to repair issues that you have on your truck and or your car, and probably it could be the wiring, and the wiring can be damaged for rats. I mean, the rats are going, you know, taking a nap on your truck, and you know, they decide just to shoo away the wiring, because that's a very easy route for the rats. But anyway, very short video. Just comment below if you have any questions about it, and share it with anybody. I trying to post different videos on my channel on this 2021 Silverado. We are all done. So like, share, subscribe, comment below, leave your experiences, anything that you have to add to this video. Just do it please on the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram, Francisco Maya YouTube. Anything you want to ask me directly, you can ask me there. So thank you for watching.